Now to a News 9 crime report. An Oklahoma City adoptive mom and her boyfriend accused of abusing her son could now also be responsible for his horrific death.
The medical examiner just released a report that details how 3-year-old Larandon Nicols died. Jennifer Pierce tells us what is in that report. Jen?
Kelly, the medical examiner says the abuse and torture Larandon Nicols experienced ultimately led to his death. Now it's just a matter of time before the district attorney's office files murder charges.
If we come up with a scintilla of evidence that will allow us to prove that any of these injuries caused his death, we'll dismiss this and amend it to a murder 1 charge.
That was 3 months ago. At the time, the assistant district attorney couldn't prove murder. Now, this heartbreaking report given to us from the medical examiner's office is the evidence the DA's office needs to up the charges against the adoptive mother, Larandon Nicols, and her boyfriend, Donald Miller.
He had a number of things wrong with him.
The ME's report shows, besides being severely malnourished, Larandon had peeling skin and open wounds all over his body.
The pathologist in this case determined that sepsis caused this child's death due to multiple blunt force trauma. Sepsis is an infection that can set in when some sort of injury or wound is not treated.
And that could have been caused in a number of ways. Libra has admitted to abusing Larandon with flip-flops, belts, hangers, switches, and a plastic bat. And a week before Larandon died, the 370-pound woman fell on top of him. He was only 18 pounds.
I can't imagine a horrible death like this for this little boy.
Now, the district attorney still has to review the ME's report before they amend the charges. I'm told that could happen next week. Kelly?
All right, Jennifer. Libra and her boyfriend are charged with child abuse and neglect. They are still in the Oklahoma County Jail, both being held without bond.